Hi everyone, welcome to Flow with Nicole. Today we'll do a listening practice centered on the Lunar New Year. I'll read a paragraph followed by listening comprehension questions. Let's begin. 農曆新年就快到啦，要準備嘅嘢真係多到數唔晒。正所謂年28洗邋遢，我同屋企人做咗一個徹底嘅大掃除，希望可以洗走舊年嘅霉運，迎接新一年嘅好運。我趁呢個機會整理咗我嘅衣櫃，我將舊衫捐去婦女庇護所。除此之外，我都要幫手辦年貨。年貨包括團圓飯嘅食材，例如魚同餃子。魚寓意年年有餘，意思係新嘅一年衣食充足，並且仲有多餘嘅剩低落嚟。至於餃子，外形似元寶，象徵招財進寶，我都要幫手貼揮春，咁樣屋企先至有過年嘅氣氛。我要去銀行換新嘅鈔票，幫手封利是。雖然好忙，但係我依然好期待農曆新年嘅來臨，因為我好乖女，幫手做咗好多嘢。我諗爹哋媽咪會俾我好大封嘅利是。Let's move on to the listening comprehension questions. Question number 1. Why is the Lunar New Year a busy time? Question number 2. On the 28th day of the 12th lunar month, what are we supposed to do? Question number 3. What is the symbolic meaning of spring cleaning before Lunar New Year? Question number 4. What did I take this opportunity to do? Question number 5. Where did I donate my old clothes? Question number 6. What does eating fish during the reunion dinner symbolize? Question number 7. Why are dumplings considered a lucky food during Lunar New Year? Question number 8. What do I do to make sure the house feels more festive for Lunar New Year? Question number 9. Why do I need to go to the bank? Question number 10. Why am I looking forward to the Lunar New Year? If you'd like to review the full journal and check the answers for the listening questions, you can download the notes. I'll see you next time. Bye bye!